Example number 10. Find an irrational number between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. First, the numbers 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 write in the decimal form. Terminating decimal or non-terminating decimals with recurring or non-recurring expansions. First, expand the first number 1 by 7. So 1 divided by 7. Continue the divisions up to the same remainder is repeated. 1 divided by 7 is not possible. So put 1 point, here add 1 0. Now 10, 1 time. Remainder 3, 30, 4 times 28. Remainder 2, 20, 2 times 14. Remainder 6, 60. 8 times 56. Remainder 4, 40. 5 times 35. Remainder 5, 50. 7 times 49. Now the remainder 1. So first number also 1. 1 divided by 7. Here again 1 divided by 7. So next put 1 0. Here 1. 7. Remainder 3. 30. Then 4. So hereafter all the decimals are repeated. So these expansions have only the digits 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. So 2 by 7, 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857. This is a non-terminating recurring decimals. Non-terminating recurring. So it is a rational number. So next one, 2 by 7. You can find 2 by 7. Multiply the number 0.142857 by 2. So multiply, the multiplications do in right to left. So 0.142857. 14. Remainder 1. 10. 11. Remainder 1. 16. Plus 1. 7. Remainder 1. 4 plus 1. 5. 8. 2. So this is equal to 0.285714. 2 by 7. Find an irrational number lies between. So irrational number means we can find infinite irrational numbers lies between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So write any one of the number. So that number is more than 0.14 or 15 and less than 0.28. So take one of the number, an irrational number. This answer is not unique. We can find infinite numbers. Irrational numbers lies between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. So write at least one of the number. An irrational number lies between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7 is 0.15, 0.15, 0.015, 0.015, etc. Now the decimals are non-terminating, non-recurring. First 1 0, then 15 repeated. Again 2 zeros, 15 repeated. Then 3 zeros, 15 repeated. So going this way, the decimals cannot be repeated. So this is a non-terminating, non-recurring decimal expansion. So it is an irrational number. You can write any numbers lies between 1 by 7 and 2 by 7. Now the exercise number 1.3, sum number 1. Write the following in decimal form and say what kind of decimal expansions each has. The kind of the decimal expansion, that is terminated or non-terminating recurring or non-terminating non-recurring. Here non-terminating non-recurring is impossible because everything is rational numbers. So only terminating and non-terminating recurring. So first one, solution. First one, 36 divided by 100. This is equal to 0.36, which is terminating decimal. Which is terminating decimal expansion. Next one, sum number 2, 1 by 11. 1 divided by 11. Not possible. The decimal here 10 is not, again put 10. Now 9 times possible, 99. Remainder 1, 0 is not possible. So put 10, here 10. 9 times. 99. Again remainder 1, 0, 0, here 10. So this is equal to 0.090909 going on. So 0.09 bar, 0.009 bar, which is a non-terminating recurring decimals, which is a non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. Decimal expansion. Next one, the sum number 4, third one homework. So actually third problem, 4 1 by 8. Mixed fractions convert to improper. 33 divided by 8. Then divide. It's homework. Fourth problem, 3 divided by 13. 3 divided by 13. 13. 0.32 times 26, remainder 4. 40. 3 times 39, remainder 1. 10 is not possible. 1 more 0, here 1 0. 100. 7 times 91, remainder 9. 90. 6 times 78. 78. Then remainder 12. Here 1 0, 120. Here 9 times 117. Remainder 3. So 30. So again first the number is 3. So remainder is 3. So remember the same decimals again repeated. So stop the process. So this is equal to 0.23069 bar, which is a non-terminating repeating decimals. non-terminating recurring decimal expansion. The next fifth and sixth homework. So today's homework, exercise number 1.3, first sum, subdivision number 3, 5 and 6. Okay, thank you.